The number 1728 is pretty cool. In this video I will talk about all of the cool properties that this same number keeps having. So to start off, this number is 12 cubed, which makes it how many inches there are in a cubed foot. And also being a power of a number with 6 factors gives it a lot more factors. 1728 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 27, 32, 36, 48, 54, 64, 72, 96, 108, 144, 192, 216, 288, 432, 576, 864, and 1728. That's 28 factors, which is a freaking lot. Also, one time I was messing around with a calculator and I multiplied a fourth of 9 by a half of 3, which got me a number where if you double it 9 times you get 1728. That means that if you divide 1728 by 512, you get the product of 3 halves and a quarter of 9. 1728 squared is equal to a number that is 144 cubed. Hang on, you should listen to how I remember the digits of this number. 29, 85, 98, and 4. And a good way to remember the digits of 1728 is to think of about how 1 looks like a 7 in some people's handwriting, and there are 4 digits in this number, so 4 times 7 equals 28. Slap all these numbers together and you get the awesome number of the day. Another fact that makes this number awesome is that 4 times 3 times 4 times 3 times 4 times 3 is equal to 1728. This number is so legendary that there's an entire freaking Wikipedia page about it. The wiki page has even more cool stuff about 1728 that I didn't cover in this video, by the way. You should check it out. Also, 1728 looks like 1000 in base 12. In base 12, this is called Mo, and come on, what kind of number that's a 1 followed by some zeros with no other digits doesn't look somewhat cool? All this stuff makes 1728 rightfully my second favorite number. For those who are wondering, my first favorite is the square root of -1, since imaginary numbers fascinate me. But if you've been watching my videos for long enough on multiple of my YouTube channels, you might notice that in every animation that I make that's long enough, some text flashes at 1 minute and 12 seconds. That text says frame 1728 and it only appears in the 1728th frame of every animation I make if the video isn't shorter than 1800 frames. It's kind of like my way of showing that I was the one who made the animation, kind of like how some artists have the signature that they put on their drawings. For example, this is the signature for art that I make about interesting dreams I've had. Anyways, that's all I can remember about the number 1728, and thanks for watching!